One time I was driving along this road way too fast, a lot faster than I'm going here, and I came upon a corner up here way too fast, not this next corner but the corner after, and I was doing more than 100 kilometers an hour, and I thought there's no way I'm going to get round this corner, but I'm going to have to try. And right as I was about to go around the corner, a big B double, that is a truck with two big long trailers, met me right on the corner driving on my side of the road, this corner here, and I know where to go, and I knew we were about to have a head-on crash right here next to this tree. But here we are. I found myself up here, and I pulled up and I stopped, and I thought, how did that happen? I don't remember the corner at all. I don't recall going around the corner. I don't recall going past the truck. How did I get here? How come I haven't been killed? Where's the truck? What am I doing here? This has to be a miracle from God. Obviously, this was not my time to die.